Dear friends, the title of today's story is Magic Box. This story is about a father and his son, where the father has a magical box, with the help of which he fulfills his son's small wishes and keeps him happy. But one day the son asks his father for the key to the box, and everyone is surprised to see what happens next. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, a carpenter named David lived with his son Digo in a small house. Digo's mother passed away when he was very young. David loved Digo very much and always kept Digo with him. David was a hard-working carpenter. He had expertise in woodwork. His master was always happy with him and used to give him good salary with bonus. With this money he took good care of Digo. David had a big wooden box in his house and there was a big lock on the box. Once Digo asked, "Papa, what is inside this box?" To this David said, "This is a magical box, which can fulfill your little wishes." Hearing this, Digo wished for a toy from the box. The very next morning, Digo saw that a beautiful gift was waiting for him. He became very happy. For this he thanked his father. Several days passed like this, and David continued to work as hard as before, so that he could raise Dago well. Dago also used to study diligently. One day Digo asked David, "Papa, why do you work so hard when we have a magic box?" To this David replied, "That magic box is to fulfill your small happiness. But for the major needs of life we will have to work very hard." Diego was listening to all this carefully when David said to him, "Son, when you grow up, I will give you the key to the magic box so that you can fulfill all your wishes." Likewise, Diego used to write his wishes for small gifts on the magical box, and the next day he used to receive those gifts. Life seemed very easy to Diego till now. Today was a very special day for David and Diego, because today Diego had completed his studies. David was very happy thinking that now Diego can bring big opportunities in his life by doing a job. But as days passed, David continued working as before. But Diego did not like to work hard. He didn't even look for a job anymore. David was very upset due to his carelessness. He thought of talking to Diego. One day he called Diego to the room of the magic box and said, "Now I feel the time has come that I should tell you about the secret of this magic box, so that you can live a comfortable life in the future. As soon as the lock will open, it will fulfill all your dreams. Are you ready for it?" Diego became very excited after hearing this. It seemed as if Diego was eagerly waiting for this. Then David said, "But there is a problem, that I do not have the key." Diego said, "Then where is the key?" Then David said that, "You will receive the key by an officer of a big office, under whom you will get your first job." Hearing all this, Diego started looking for a job. Now he started preparing for the job interview by studying all night. David was very happy seeing all this. Now soon Diego started receiving calls for job interviews. Soon he got a job in a big company. On the very first day of his job, he got the keys to his private cabin. This key was given to him by his officer. Seeing this, he jumped with joy. Why not? Today he will ask for everything from the magic box, so that he never has to work again. When he returned home and went to the magic box, he found David was already sitting there, and he saw that the lock of the box was already open. David asked him to open the box. As soon as he opened the box, Diego was surprised. "What is this?" "It is filled with David's tools." Seeing him surprised, David said, Son, this is the secret of my life. Till today, I used to fulfill all your wishes by working very hard. You can achieve everything in life through hard work. This hard work is the key to every magic box. Dago had now understood what he had to do now. Knowing such a beautiful secret had changed Dago's life, and David was very happy about it. Friends, you too should not wait for any miracle and keep working hard to fulfill your dreams. Hard work is the key to success. Friends, if you liked the story, please like, share and subscribe us. The Hindi version of this story is available on our channel. See link in description below. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.